Keterangan sam gajala ka Public Health Engineering PHE barka Shnong Municipal Board ka sya batha ha kasiri High Court mikhaya ban Leit sam da kitangkar segi Shnong gi bompat la ban penpoi na ka jing sneu upai Menteri ka tenar PHE Marcus and Marak habakran mentaka sngi ka khanyau tarik no para ajabsan ong baka kasiri High Court mikhaya kala ai ka jing batha lambau Advocate General Asoka Jela baka PHE bak Municipal kide ban Leit sam da kitangkar segi Shnong kimpat yo na kajing sneu upai ha opal silong na kajing sya jenrat ha company ti surok kan HIDCL kat kum kajing menteri kisnong basya kta ha kan kajing sneu upai kilong kajiau maulai mau prem khandai la lashmia mau khar kiting road bar cantonment area ha kajuk apol menteri ong ba kajing sinai gi pat kibab thai na kajing sya jenrat ha company ti surok kadang ya sya bat la khamil ti ban pendap la sya kasngi ula ong baka NHIDCL kadai ban habburia ya ka PHE halo kan jing general ya gi pai
Shortage of water supply till the full restoration is completed. Honorable High Court has directed PHE department and also Municipal Board of Shillong to supply in tankers to the affected localities, which we will be abiding by the order of the Honorable High Court.
How many localities
So far in my knowledge, it's 8 localities: Jayau, Maulai, Mauprem, Maukar, PB, Lachmer, Kitting Road, Cantonment area.
Has this process started?
We are about to start now because Honorable High Court has directed just now. Order we are yet to receive, but we are informed by our Honorable AG.
how many millions of water I think for all these 8 localities
8 localities.
Exactly.
in a day or in a maybe
That I cannot tell you now how many millions of water, but altogether for Shillong, from them side, we are supplying around 51 MLD of water now, because Shillong Greater Water Supply Scheme third phase is also now pushing water to the treatment plant. So 51 MLD of water is getting treated in the treatment plant in Moplang area. Pressure to release the water. So we have to release the water. So we were gradually increasing the volume. So in that process, it was affected. So it's a bend you can see. So we have rectified this one also. It's already restored. So we are going to construct the anchoring like this, concrete anchoring, and for this concrete anchoring, for curing it takes almost 12 hours. So after that we will be able to release full volume of water.